This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban issue on iPhone and Android. So if you're having this issue, follow the simple steps to fix it. And the first solution is open your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. And here, if you see any update available, then update the Snapchat app and then check the issue. The second solution is, if you're an Android user, then tap and hold the Snapchat app. And here, you have to tap on App Info. Then your settings will automatically open. From there, you have to clear your Snapchat cache and cookies. And then check the issue. And if you're an iOS user, then go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. And here tap on iPhone storage. And scroll down, tap on Snapchat. You have to offload the app from here and then reinstall it. And then check the issue. The next solution is open your device settings or phone settings and scroll down, tap on General and tap on Date and Time and disable Set Automatically. Tap on Time Zone and now you have to select a different time zone. You can select a random or fake time zone and then it should fix the Snapchat device ban issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.